Let's make this beautiful presentation in PowerPoint. Apply a gradient background. Now insert some images. Write the title of your slide. Add some more images and arrange them like this. Now add some images outside of the slide. Duplicate the slide, arrange the images, and update the title and the background gradient color. Duplicate the slide 2 more times and repeat the same process for every slide. Now select all the slides and apply Morph Transition. Subscribe our channel for more amazing tutorials.